In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently convert multiple single-line texts into a multi-line text format using AutoCAD. This process is both simple and time-saving, especially for those who frequently work with designs that require substantial amounts of text formatting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to enhance the readability and organization of your textual content within your AutoCAD projects with ease. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your AutoCAD project where the single-line text is located. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and identify the specific text blocks that need conversion. This step is crucial as it allows you to organize your approach and ensure you don't miss any text that requires adjustment. Once you've identified the single-line text that you want to convert, select each piece of text by clicking on it. You can do this individually, but for a faster approach, you might want to use a selection window or hold down the Shift key to select all of them at once. This selection process is a key step because it determines what text will be converted into the multi-line format, so make sure you don't accidentally leave any text out. Now that you have all your desired single-line text selected, it's time to perform the conversion. Here, AutoCAD has a handy command that makes this process incredibly straightforward. Simply go to the command line, typically found at the bottom of your workspace, and type txt MText. Then, press Enter on your keyboard. This command stands for Text to MText, and what it essentially does is convert all the selected single-line text into a single multi-line text block, which is much easier to manage. This can significantly streamline the current workflow and prepare your project for further editing or sharing. After executing the txt to MText command, you'll see that all your previously selected single-line text is now a part of a single, coherent, multi-line text block. This transformation not only improves the overall tidiness of your project, but also enhances your ability to make global edits. Now, when you need to make changes to the text, you can do so within a single text box, rather than having to adjust each line individually. This method is particularly beneficial for those working on detailed projects or collaborating with others, as it reduces the risk of misalignment and ensures consistency across your documents. So whether you're updating a technical drawing or refining a design, this single command can save you a considerable amount of time and effort. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to convert your single-line text into multi-line text in AutoCAD. By employing this method regularly, you can maintain a clean and professional look for your projects while enhancing your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks to boost your AutoCAD skills.